can of peach. What are the things we have to buy?
A can of peach.
Can of peach.
Can of peach. Essence vanilla.
Essence vanilla,
Banana, sagu marshmallow.
sagu and marshmallow.
We'll cook, when you cook.
No, you will cook with me. You will follow Khairul Aming's recipe. He is a famous chef in Malaysia. So for buka puasa?
Yes.
Okay, so put in the basket.
In the car. I'll put it in the car.
Buka puasa in the car. No, buka puasa at 7:20. Don't want lah, I don't want to help because you're not fasting. Tak baca bismillah. Baca doa lagi. Mana boleh buka puasa? It's only 12 abang. Apalah abang ni. No bazar Ramadan. No, you can have bazar Ramadan.